This is Mr. McCart. I decided to put a couple videos together for you to hopefully assist you with what you're doing in Sheets so as not to confuse. I'm going to start off right here. I'm going to show you guys how to do some functions. I'm going to do the sum function and the average function. Let's see, we're going to start here. I'm going to move these numbers down, and just in case you forgot, you can highlight and just drag that down one box in case. And I'm going to call this sum. So the easiest way to do the sum function, put your active cell, make your active cell where you want the answer for your sum. And then we'll put this as total to make it look nice and neat. I'm going to bold it and right align it. And then over here, so I have my active cell where I want the answer, where I want to sum from my column of numbers. I'm in column B. I'm going to go up here to where the functions key is, functions button, and I'm going to click sum. And if you notice, it says equal sign, sum, and then it has these brackets and what it's wanting me to do. So all functions must start with an equal sign. When you put an equal sign in the cell, you're telling the spreadsheet that you want to use a function. So equal sign sum and then parentheses, and inside the parentheses are where we put the numbers that we want to sum, or a range of numbers or a range of cells that we want to sum. It doesn't have to be numbers, that you're actually summing the cells. So I'm going to click and highlight. That's the easiest. And then you see down here it has B2 colon B8, and it's inside the parentheses. The parentheses are closed on both sides. And then all I'm going to do is hit enter. I have to hit enter every time to apply a function. Remember that. Hit enter to apply a function. So I'm going to hit enter. And when I do that, there we go. We have 600 in there. I'm actually going to center that a little bit, make it look nice and neat, because you guys know I'm a dork and I like neat. Boom. That's how you sum, okay? So again, I'm going to do, let's see, now I'll show you the average function. I'll move this down one, and up here I'll put average. Oh, maybe I will. I will put average. I was definitely, there we go. Okay, so again, I'm going to put my active cell where I want my average to be, where I want the answer to my average to be, and I'm going to come up here, click on functions, click average, and it starts out, as you can see, the equal sign, and then the function is average, and then it gives me the brackets, or the parentheses rather. And I'm going to highlight, and I'm just going to click and drag over the region, the section that I want to average. And lastly, to apply the function, I must hit enter or return. Hit enter to apply the function every time. And then this is kind of a long string of of numbers after the decimal, so I'm going to use this number up here, and it is the decreased decimal places. And I'm going to make it just 2, I think. And that is how, briefly, how you figure how you use functions in Sheets. There's another way. Let's see, I'll show you. I can copy these numbers, and I'll just move them over here. And if you want to do one of two things, I'm going to put the answer in a different column. Let's see. Yeah, I'll put the answer in a different column. And I'm going to put it in manually this time. So if I want to type it in manually, I go and I put my active cell where I want the answer, and in the active cell, all functions must start with an equal sign. So I'm going to have equal sign, and then I'm going to start typing average. And then, whoop, I did an error because I left in the middle of it. So equal sign, average, parenthesis, and then I'm going to highlight. Actually, I could highlight, or I'm typing it in manually, so I'm going to write H2, and then colon, and then H8, that is. And then close my parentheses, and I hit enter, and when I do hit enter, it applies my function. So don't forget, all functions must start, if you look up over here, all functions have to start with the equal sign. So equal sign average, brackets, or parentheses rather, H2, colon, H8, and then again I'm going to decrease my decimals in there, so it's only 2. There we go. Oops. And that's it. That's how you do, that's how you apply functions in a spreadsheet. Hey, I hope you guys are doing really well. I hope everyone's safe, and I miss you guys, and I look forward to seeing you again. I'm going to make a couple more of these screenshot videos and put them within the specific assignments, so that hopefully it'll help guide you through the assignments. I miss you guys, and you take care. See ya.